Hi, I'm John, and welcome to N-Scale Friday. Today we have a model from Atlas to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench. All right, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an N-Scale 45-foot logging flat car, also known as a logging flat. This one's decorated for Northern Pacific. This comes from Atlas, and it's in their Master Series. I'm looking at Atlas's website off camera here, and I'm seeing at least half a dozen different road names that these are offered under. Each one comes with 3 different road numbers. These have an MSRP of $29.95. This is the MSRP, which means you can find it for less if you shop around. I always use MSRP because MSRP is objective. It does not change from place to place if you go shopping. Only the sale price does. So your best bet would be to go to the Atlas website, see if they have the name and number you're looking for, and then shop around for the best price. So as usual, I've scrutinized this model with my magnifying visor and found that the paint is perfect on it. And the markings also are really good. I was even able to read the tiniest writing over on the right side there that informs us that the build date of this particular car is January of 1942. Okay, then looking at the brake end, you can see that the brake wheel here is a separately applied part. This is also a knuckle coupler, which is nice to have. We'll take a little bit closer look at the coupler mounting when we look at the bottom of the model. You can also see that this stirrup detail on the end here looks to be molded detail. And here's a brief look at the other side of the car. You can see that the paint and printing on this side is consistent with what we saw on the first side we looked at. And here's a look at the A end of the car, again with a molded stirrup over here and a knuckle coupler. Now we're looking at a top view, and I wanted to show you the top view like this because these log bumps are actually separately applied parts. And what's interesting here is that it's also kind of see-through because the deck is not solid all the way across. So you can see the brake detail actually from the top of the car. And that brings us to the bottom of the car. You can see that the brake detail is actually molded as part of the body, and then the couplers are in fact truck mounted on this model, so it should handle pretty tight radius curves. The model weighs 0.6 of an ounce. According to my handy little cheat sheet here, and according to the NMRA, this model should weigh about an ounce. I think this is a pretty solid release from Atlas. They've been making these cars for a long time, and it's a little bit light, but think about this. It's very easy to add weight to a car like this simply by adding a load. The other thing to think about is that if you have a unit train of just these log cars running empty, they'll still track okay because they'll all be light. Anyway, good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.